Developed at one of the world's most famous hospitals, a small device with huge potential. Introducing the Braidlock, a clever little tube that's about to revolutionize line securement.
The Braidlock will make a huge difference to medical practice in terms of the securing of all different types of lines.
Available in multiple dimensions, the beauty of the Braidlock lies in its simple braided design. When compressed, it allows a line, drain or catheter of any size to be inserted. And when released, it contracts, gripping the line along its length. It can then be pushed along the line as required, but never pulled. This simplicity can save you time, materials and money. Conventional line securement can take a minimum of 4 minutes, sometimes much longer. The Braidlock can be attached in as little as 4 seconds. 4 seconds versus 4 minutes, making the Braidlock 60 times faster. And it doesn't require any further equipment.
Traditionally, fixing a drain in position can be a fiddly task and can fail. A Braidlock will make that a simple, straightforward, quick procedure.
Current securement methods are anything but secure. Reintervention is often required. But the Braidlock, once applied, is locked solid. Its unique design preventing movement of the tube in both directions. This makes accidental removal virtually impossible, and so reduces IV restarts.
I think security is the #1 requirement for a drain fixation mechanism. The Braidlock fulfills all those criteria.
Adjusting or removing a conventionally secured line is a long and tedious process. Not so with the Braidlock. With no sutures or heavy dressing, the position of the line can be easily checked and adjusted as required. What's more, the Braidlock is radio opaque, allowing its placement to be checked via X-ray.
Putting a drain in a conventional way and fixing it in a conventional way, when you've fixed it, you've got no chance then to manipulate it. So holding it stiff and still having a chance to change its position is really important.
And with the Braidlock's lack of trauma to the wound site, the risk of infection is significantly reduced. The benefits here are huge, not only in staff time and resources, but ultimately in saving lives.
There's definitely a less risk of infection around the wound site using this equipment. You're not creating an atmosphere which could be moist and warm that bacteria can grow.
With increased speed, sterility and ease of adjustment, the Braidlock drags line securement into the 21st century.
I certainly think Braidlock will fulfill a niche for which there's no other available product.
The Braidlock, a revolution in line securement.